I'm Santina with WTI, and I want to tell you about this fabulous brush that I found for curly hair. It's called the Denman brush. This has been a lifesaver for me in my hairstyle routine. I recently decided to embrace the curls and go curly, and this has really helped me. As you can see, I use it right after I showered when my hair is still super wet. I put my product in and then I brush it out with my hair flipped over, pulling my hair up and then letting it drop. And I have found that this helps me have great, beautiful waves, and it helps me keep my hair detangled, which is great because I have very easily tangled hair. So this has been really useful for me. The bristles are just the right texture for curls, and it works really well for curly and wavy hair like mine. And the brush is lightweight, it's easy to transport if you want to take it with you, easy to store, and it's worked really well for me. I love it for my curly hair routine, and that's my point of view.